The weather over the last couple of weeks has been cold and snowy for some areas, and it still is very snowy in the higher terrain of central Newfoundland, Gaff Topsail region, taken by Craig Fiander there. What I didn't show you was the snowmobile windscreen. I know it's a popular area to go up on the sleds, and I know the snow can stick up there for some time, and I wouldn't be surprised if it might linger up there through the month and potentially into the early part of May unless things drastically warm up. So Craig, thank you very much for sharing that picture with me. If you've got weather photos, enter our weather photo contest at ntv.ca. You do that, you're in the grand prize draw for a 2023 Subaru BRZ from Capital Subaru, 150 Kenmount Road. The contest will end on April 12th, and the grand prize draw happens April 17th. And for those of you that are wondering how many entries we have, I can tell you so far with this photo contest, we've received more entries than we have with any photo contest previous. We have set a record. It's over 100,000. We'll tell you by how many coming up on April 17th when we do that grand prize draw at Capital Subaru. So tomorrow morning we are waking up to generally clear skies across Newfoundland per Futurecast and Future Radar, and also the clouds are on here as well. Those are what you're seeing there in white, all the precipitation. That's snow in blue and a freezing rain or ice pellet there in pink. So well back to our southwest as we start the day. By midday tomorrow, some snow pushing into western Labrador, just arriving in Churchill Falls by midday. Otherwise, it's quiet across the Big Land through the evening. On the island, we are quiet through 7, 8, and 9 o'clock even tomorrow night in Labrador. The coast, we'll see the snow moving in tomorrow night, and even there, it's going to be more in the way of light snow and kind of pockets of snow, and not so much the organized stuff that we have seen with a couple of the systems that have moved through lately. Now we take a look at the wider picture. This goes now to tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. So this is where the precipitation is going to be on a bit of a wider scale. So there's the snow into northern portions of Quebec and Ontario, and as we look down to the south and east, there's a freezing rain ice pellet line there in, I guess, purple, and there's a snow in blue and the rain in green. So through the day tomorrow, that precip is really slow to work its way towards Newfoundland. By tomorrow evening, maybe some light snow arriving across the west coast, northern peninsula, and there's that snow pushing its way through Labrador. By tomorrow night, we will see a few hours of freezing rain, it looks like, over portions of southern, central, and eastern Newfoundland, but by 6, 7 o'clock, temperatures are coming up. The freezing rain going to rain, and by midday Friday, a lot of us are seeing temperatures well above freezing, but the west coast will see readings fall back below freezing in the evening, and the flurries will kick back on, and we're looking at widespread flurries in areas of light snow into Labrador through Friday, winding down Friday evening. Snowfall amounts in Labrador from tomorrow morning through Friday evening, again, not looking super impressive. Churchill Falls to Labrador City, up to 10 centimeters. That's it. Farther east, up to 5. That's it. Not a big deal in the grand scheme of what we can see in Labrador this time of year with respect to strong storms. On the island, northern peninsula, 5 or 10 centimeters in Port au Choix, the high to rain. Other areas farther south and east, not a whole lot. We take a look at the freezing rain amounts in the forecast, and again, yesterday was looking like we may see moderate to some areas of heavy amounts of ice, but right now it's looking like more like light to maybe moderate amounts over portions of the Burin and Avalon Peninsula. Not enough likely to bring down any trees or power lines, but enough to make things slippery for a few hours late tomorrow night and early Friday morning. -4 to -9 tonight. Skies are mostly clear for the day tomorrow. Clouds on the increase late. 0 to 6 or 5 for the afternoon highs. Western half of Newfoundland tonight, -3 to -11, coldest in central. And then for tomorrow, highs -1 to +3. In Labrador, temperatures tonight, -9 to -23, coldest in the west. And that snow and flurry activity moves it tomorrow. It's also breezy with southerlies in the west. Your 5-day forecast for eastern Newfoundland, the warm day Friday, a colder day Saturday with some flurries, colder yet Sunday, and for Easter Monday, the warm-up may commence after that. For Central, 7 degrees on Friday afternoon after some morning showers. Flurries Saturday, a cold Sunday, warmer for Monday. For Western Newfoundland, flurries in areas of showers through Sunday, colder for Sunday and warmer for Monday. And in Labrador, there's your 5-day forecast for the west. -8 Saturday, light snow and flurries into Monday, but warmer in the east. Some light snow Friday, cold for the weekend, and warmer by Monday.